So now we have the ability to upload images. So now let's work on the videos. So I'm going to come here to the create post file, and we are going to do the same for the images, the videos. So if there is any video, then go ahead and display that, as we are going to allow one video at a time. So yeah, you can display video temporary URL, and this is going to be video tag, and we are good to go. So if there's any video, then go ahead and display that or preview that. I'm going to go to, as we have the video uh, OR model video here. So if I go to the post model, here we have creative variable for that, and after that we have to add the same check for the for the um, for the video. So if there is any video, then go ahead and instead of looping, just directly store that and return the file name. So let's say um, video file underscore name, and I'm going to create a temporary variable like this. And one thing you might see is you can see here, this condition has nothing to do with this one, so I have to move this to this one, and this is going to work fine. Now for the video, if we have a video, then we will store that video. This is going to be the this of video, this or like the global variable that is video, that is coming from the UI, and this is going to be stored in the post slash video directory, and that is going to be publicly available. And this is going to be post ID, this is going to be video. We will use this for the styling purpose, and for this one we don't need to JSON encode that because it's only one video. And let's say general for now, and video file name, so instead of images we are going to use the video file name by storing the video. So let's try that out. I'm going to go back and refresh the page. And one thing I forgot, yeah, we have done that. Post ID, the video is going to be belonging to that specific post. So let's try that out, see if that's going to work. So I'm going to say, like, without this one it's not going to do anything, so I have to create some textual content. So let's say, hello dude, I'm going to choose a video, and if I go to videos, I have some random videos and I can choose from them. So let's use this one. Let's see the preview, and after that I'm going to submit this. And another thing I think we can do is like adding the loading icons. So to do that in Laravel, it's pretty easy. So I am going to do something like create a div, and here let's indent as well div. Here we will use the loading something like uploading, and then we can say something like this is going to be wire target. In Livewire, to load the, like, to show the loading, we can do that wire loading, and if there is any loading with that specific element, it's going to display this element. So the element that we want to target is the video, the images and videos. So for this one I'm going to target the images, and for this one I'm going to target the videos. So I'm going to come here, and here I'm going to use video tag. And now if there is any loading with the images attribute, or the images variable, it's going to display this, and otherwise if there is any loading with the video, it's going to display this. So let's try that out, as we are working testing the video. So I'm going to do that with the video first. I'm going to write something, some random text, and after that I'm going to click on video, and I'm going to come down here and choose a video. As you can see, it displays the uploading and then dot dot dot. It means it's going to upload the video, and now it is uploaded icons. I think I am missing the end video, so let's try that again. I guess that was the issue. Let's set this to 100% and 100%, like the video that we upload, it's going to behave, and set the width and height of that in the UI. So I'm going to create some random post and choosing a video. So I'm going to choose this one, and let's wait till it's uploaded. Yeah, now we have the upload button, and we can upload the video. So I'm going to upload that, and your post has been published, but we have to confirm that. And yeah, we have to do one thing, another thing, just like we did for the images. We have to unset the videos variable. So unset video, and let's confirm the video and images that we uploaded. So I'm going to, we can confirm that from the media. So if I do tinker, let's say php artisan tinker, and post media, where type is we set the type of video to video, and I'm going to get all of them, and we have error. So let's not all, let's get this actually. So we have the type, I guess that is file type, my bad. Yeah, so now we have the video that we just uploaded, so now we know that that works fine. And we have unset that, and we can confirm that from the files itself. Like if I go to storage, let's go to public, and then storage, we have post, so we have images and videos. So now we know our functionality works. So that is it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one, from where like we will carry on the application. Thank you.